We got something special for you. A gorgeous single family home renovated from top to bottom in the Harrison community in the western neighborhood of Milton. Listing a property like this in today's hot market is a privilege for our team. This is a two-car garage with stone and brick elevation with lot of upgrades. Roof was done recently, new pot lights outside and inside, fresh paint, new blinds and an amazing upgraded kitchen that you don't want to miss. Let's start the main floor tour with amazing kitchen. As you know, kitchen is the heart of the home. This is a brand new kitchen with MDF glossy cabinets going till the top, and you have soft close. Further, you have quartz countertop with modern backsplash, plus this newly done canopy, stove and all the other appliances. Don't miss this double sink, newly done plumbing fixtures with an amazing view to the street. From kitchen we enter into this dining area, which is a perfect place for this home because it's next to sliding door, which brings lot of natural light, and you have a private backyard. This being a corner unit, it brings lot of privacy here. Plus you have a concrete work already done in the backyard, which is perfect for your barbecue with your friends and family during summers. From this dining area we enter into the most amazing part of this home, which is the family space. This family space is very natural because it's very practical, lot of light coming from the out, plus this spotlight pattern make it a precious place to enjoy with your family. This main floor tour is incomplete without having this private living space. This comes with huge 3 big windows, spotlights on the entry, and then you have an open space giving it a high ceiling look. And this is very special for your guest because it's right on the entry, giving it a privacy from your family area. Let's go upstairs, which comes with spacious 4-bedroom, 2 full washrooms and laundry on the second level. I don't want to miss this amazing sitting area where you have natural light coming throughout the day and you can enjoy beautiful views of this park. We have a huge primary bedroom which comes with a lot of natural light plus a huge walk-in closet. This ensuite washroom, which is a 4-piece, comes with fully upgraded quartz countertop, newly done vanity light and plumbing fixtures. If you want to book a showing for this amazing property, do contact our team for exclusive showing or to write a winning offer. Also, subscribe to our channel for exclusive real estate content.